Gather round the tinsel and the shimmering glow.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm your lovely host here, Gigi Faison, and as always, you are welcome here. Now, if you want to see how this Pinterest-inspired tabletop styling was created by me, then of course, grab your coffee or tea, whatever it is that you are choosing to drink. Sit back, relax, and enjoy how this is all put together. In today's video, I am going to recreate a Pinterest inspired display. I'm going to do it here in this corner. I've already started. Have this little flock tree here that I picked up from Hobby Lobby last year at a 9% off. So it uses 3 AA batteries, which I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. And I've already started decorating. I have this pedestal here in the corner. It is one of those marble stands and extremely heavy. So I'm going to place that here in the corner. If you can see that marble stand there, I placed it in the corner. And then I'm just going to go ahead with creating this as if it is a corner tree. So what I'm going to do is pull the branches forward. Pull the branches forward and let this kind of sit back in the corner. And I've added in a few picks and little poinsettia. These are clip-ons. Added in some little chinoiserie balls here. And these were flowers that part of a garland. I just clipped those off, placing those in here. And then this blue poinsettia. So next, I have another tree. I'm going to go ahead and turn the lights on this one. And I'm going to do the same thing, kind of pull and what I'm going to do with this one
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down, the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself. In a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill.
So guys, this arrangement was created by using 3 of those miniature block trees from Hobby Lobby, and they are the lighted trees. Added in some of my chinoiserie ornaments, poinsettia picks. These picks I picked up from TJ Maxx. Absolutely beautiful. I think it was 6 in a pack. Love these. And then this gold velvet blue, midnight blue and gold poinsettia here. I ordered it from the Crafters Outlet, so I just decided to use one here. And then I went in with these hydrangea balls here. These were on a bunch, and I just cut those off. Then we have the magnolia leaves. They are kind of frosted, and the trees sit in somewhat of a wicker basket, if you can see those, and these are lighted trees. I added in my little gem mirror here, and also some of those little gem candle holders to create the look in the space here. And then to finish off the tabletop, I added blue red bird here, pillow I purchased from Belk. And to keep up with that theme, we have in some of those picks, and we have the lifelike garland here. Added in some more. This is a whole garland, and I ordered this one from Michael's. And then again, we have more of the gem candle holders. Decided to add in the fairy lights here. And just to break up just a little bit, added in this little gold ornament. This perfect little match here, and went through the garland and added more of the magnolia pieces, and these again cut from a total bush. This little chinoiserie vase here, I purchased it from Belk. It's of a little arrangement of sort with the gold and the greenery. So this is how we created this space here. For this tabletop here, I added in some of those gold branches and picks that I picked up from TJ Maxx, along with these picks here of the icicles, gold, beautiful. Added in this floor pick here, and I got this one I think from Michael's. And the red bird here was from Hobby Lobby. And these little three little birds here I picked up from the Cracker Barrel. Brought back that infamous deer that was so famous a few years ago. And then just made somewhat of a little arrangement here with poinsettias and some little gift boxes that I purchased from, I think it was Hobby Lobby last year on clearance. And they just have a little tag that says joy on those little gift boxes. Add a little greenery inside this arrangement here, and this is what creates this tabletop here, tabletop number 2. Now tabletop number 3 is over here on top of my desk in the office, and all of these are in the office. So I just added in this mirrored vase here, and this is one that I've had from Wayfair for a few years. Added in some of those hydrangea, beautiful floral pieces here, with also the icicle type branches that I picked up also from TJ Maxx. Created this space here. And so these are the little Pinterest inspired table top settings within my office space here. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel, of course, if you're new and you love any portion of home decor. This is what I love to do here on this channel, is share my home and share my styles with you guys. And I welcome you here. Thank you so much. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I apologize for my voice. I've had some little sinus stuff going on, and I've had to have dental surgery. So if all of that is working, voice is a little different, but of course, we're still here. Thanks, guys. Be blessed until the next one.
Gather round the tinsel and the shimmering glow. I'm Gigi the creator, putting on a show. I'm sharing do-it-yourself projects and home decor with the best budget ever. You see, that's what I do. Oh, it's Christmas time for styling and fun. We will make your home beautiful. My style is simple, easy, and lovely. So come and decorate with me this holiday season. And from my YouTube family to yours, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Gather round the tinsel and the shimmering glow. I'm Gigi the creator, putting on a show. I'm sharing do-it-yourself projects and home decor with the best budget ever. You see, that's what I do. Oh, it's Christmas time for styling and fun. We will make your home beautiful. My style is simple, easy, and lovely. So come and decorate with me this holiday season. And from my YouTube family to yours, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Gather round the tinsel and the shimmering glow.
Gigi the creator.